And hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, maglalaro tayo ng Murder Mystery 2. So ngayon, ang language natin ngayon guys ay English. Kasi challenge ko ang sarili ko na English ang speaking ko ngayon. Kaya let's get into the video. Let's go! Murder Mystery 2. And that's it. Black necklace. Guys, comment down below if you want to see 182PH face reveal, okay? Comment down below, okay? Sorry. Oh, about that guys, if I speak Tagalog, I will the video end. Okay. Let's go, mama mo. Oh, mama mo. Mama mo, pangit talaga. Expected nga tayo guys. Ay, ito. Please, innocent again. Guys, yung last video ko ng MM2, I get innocent. Wait lang. I speak Tagalog. Trial lang yun. That's a trial, okay? Trial. Last video, I played MM2. I get innocent every single round. Did you watch that? Well, you didn't see that. Nakita ko. Ay, nanay mo, kalbo. Sorry. Who's murder? Bro, who's murder? Who's murder? I said who's murder? Who's that? Oh, it's Mama Mo. Bro, shoot him, Sheriff. Who's that? Oh, you know it's that. Nuts. He doesn't marry. Unmute so I can hear the noise. Shop bows. Hero bows. Give me those. Please. Bro, I have that. Again. I have no. Coconut. I forgot I have coconut. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? You dancing on me? You want to die? I murder. Good murder. This is my knife. Did I say Tagalog? Did I speak Tagalog? Comment down below if I speak Tagalog earlier. Boomer? What the? Bro. If I'm gonna make a new video, guys, do I make a video of reading all your comments? Comment down below, okay? And I want to smash that remote. Yo! You didn't hear that. Okay? So don't listen to me. Bro. Tagalog na nga lang ako. Ayaw ko na mag-English. Anong care? Okay? I don't. No. Up. Bye-bye.